Today we're going to take a look at the Ring Video Doorbell 2020 model, which is technically the second generation, not to be confused with the older Ring Video Doorbell 2. This particular package also comes with the second gen Ring Chime as well. We bought this at full retail price from Amazon, see the link in the description below. This is a 1080p Full HD camera with 155 degree horizontal field of view, motion tracking, infrared night vision, and two-way audio support. The doorbell has a rechargeable battery that can be charged via micro USB, or you can hardwire the Ring to your existing doorbell wiring if it uses an 8 to 24 volt AC transformer. This second gen model has dimensions in between the original Ring Video Doorbell and the Ring Video Doorbell 2, though they're all not too far apart. Compared to the original, it has higher video resolution and audio quality, a slightly narrower field of view, and better motion detection and Wi-Fi connectivity. The main thing it's missing is a wedge or angle mount plate in case you need the doorbell to face in a direction other than perpendicular to your wall. Ring sells that separately for $20, which we've also linked in the description below. Now let's get started with the unboxing. We have a fairly small package with the camera and chime pictured at the front, and some of the features listed at the back. At the top, we have a convenient pull tab, and a second one at the bottom. Now we can slide off the top cover. Let's open the box inside. First up is a blue box that says Always Home, which we'll put to the side for the moment. Here we have the doorbell itself, and a smaller blue box with installation tools. And here's the chime. Let's open the installation toolbox. We have a USB-A to micro USB cable, a screwdriver handle, a drill bit, and a bit that goes into the screwdriver handle, with one side a regular Phillips head and the other being Ring's special security screw head. Next we have a level, a bag with mounting screws and wall anchors, and finally a set of Ring's security screws. Now returning to the Always Home box, we see a Protected by Ring window sticker, and a user guide and various documentation. Here's the doorbell camera itself. We see a nice brushed finish on the front. On the back, the magnetic mounting plate is currently attached. We see some ports accessible through the plate. At the bottom, we see a sticker warning us to use the shorter security screws at the bottom, not the longer wall mounting screws. Mistakenly using those might pierce the battery and cause some unintended fireworks. This is the subject of a recall some months ago. Now let's pull off the magnetic mounting plate. This is what it looks like on its own. On the back of the doorbell we see a QR code for app setup and the two power options, a micro USB port, which most people would use to periodically take the doorbell inside to charge, and to its left the two contacts for the AC hardwiring alternative. One neat bit here is that the level actually snaps right into the mounting plate itself, which frees up a hand during installation. Here's the old doorbell we'll be replacing with the Ring. This is powered by a functioning AC transformer, so we can use that option to hardwire the power for the Ring. The Ring is much larger of course, but still compact enough to nicely fit in the area. The most important step is to acquire some golden gloves to add some bling to your install. First, we're going to unscrew the existing doorbell. We've turned off the power for this circuit at the breaker as a safety precaution. Now that that's unscrewed, we see the cable going into the low voltage AC transformer. Next, we've loosened the contacts and freed the wires from the old doorbell. Now we place the mounting plate on the wall, with the power wires routed through the middle hole. We use the level to straighten out the plate, and then the 4 long mounting screws to fasten it to the wall. If you're installing on a surface that requires wall anchors, Ring includes some of those as well, but here we don't need those. Now we've attached the 2 wires to the respective terminals on the back of the doorbell. Then we turn the circuit back on at the breaker and see that the center ring is illuminated. Now we've popped the doorbell onto the mounting plate, and we've fixed the 2 security screws at the bottom to fix the doorbell in place. Once you've set up the doorbell in the Ring mobile app, which you might actually want to do before you head outside for the physical installation, you open up the live view. Here we see the Ring lit up and the infrared LEDs for the night mode visible on camera. Now we're all set and ready to go. The Ring Video Doorbell 2nd Gen model is priced at $100, and in our use its performance has been pretty good for an entry-level video doorbell. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and post any comments or questions below. Also, visit our site at techautos.com for more content.